Hey there, Satya. It's William calling. I just wanted to quickly go through your email there. You'd mentioned that there was kind of a challenge you were having. To quote you, getting lost between the front end and the back end. I click on a link and I lose half the navigation, all that type of stuff. So let's quickly walk through that. So if I'm looking at the back end right now, so I'm in the back end, I'm in administrator mode. If I go to the store, right, so there's two different things. So here's the store. I'm right here in the store, and this is a different experience, obviously. I can do different things. This is where I would buy or test stuff. If I want to go back to administration, well, first of all, you notice it opened up a separate browser. But let's say I close this one for whatever reason. I only have the store. If I click on administration, it takes me back. Okay, and then I'm back here, and I can play around again. Now, there's something else that might be screwing you up. If you switch to client view, which I've done right here, now you get to see the store from your client's perspective. How do they experience Amelia? How do they experience working with it? Now, the problem is, if you go back into your back office right here, this is a different experience because this is the client's back office, the client's user account. So it's very, very different. As you can see, it's just a limited version. You have to go over here into the right-hand corner, and you have to go to switch to admin view. Okay, and then it puts you back in here. Another thing that trips me up sometimes, I'll be in client mode right here. Okay, if I refresh this, sorry. So I'm an administrator. I'll switch to client view right here. The system remembers that, and then I'll just go back into the back office, and I'll click on this button here, and I kind of do something, and then eventually Amelia kind of gets confused. Actually, it's not doing it right now. But sometimes it'll put me into client mode, and I won't be able to do stuff. And then that's kind of a challenge. So maybe I'll just refresh this window to see what happens. Oh wow, it's actually not doing it. But sometimes it will not recognize that you're an admin. So you always want to go check the right-hand corner, see what you're in. In this case, I'm going to switch to admin view, and it puts me back in the right spot. So I hope this video was helpful. If it's something else that was happening, definitely let me know about that. Actually, quickly, my last thing here, I'll do forms. So you asked about forms. This is the back office. You're going to click on accounts. You're going to go forms. And then this is where you can play with them. Note, you can make custom forms. You've got a bunch here. Well, this is my account, so I've used these, but you can make other ones. You can display them for every purchase or not. Really speeds up the registration process. Stock questions here, custom questions at the bottom. Alrighty, hope this was helpful. Have a great Friday.